Are you tired of disruptive users ruining your Discord server? Learn how to time out them in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you how to time out a user. Then, I'll cover how to remove the timeout when they're ready to behave. First, open Discord in your browser and head to your server. Then, find the user in the right-hand member list and right-click on their avatar or username to open the profile menu. Click on Timeout. Now, select a duration from the options ranging from 60 seconds to 1 week. Optionally, add a reason for the timeout. Then, click on Timeout again to apply it. To remove the timeout, locate the muted user in the member list and right-click on their username or avatar. Click on Remove Timeout. Then, click Remove Timeout again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully removed the timeout. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.